Good morning. I am Cristian Castillo. I am a student at University Argentina. My profile. I am currently a seventh semester law student at the University Argentina. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a strong foundation in legal principles, analytical thinking, and interpretation of regulation. My studies have allowed me to strengthen skills such as critical reason, research, and effective communication, which is essential in the legal field. In addition to my academic background, I have professional experience working at Porvenir, a pension and severance fund company. In this role, I have gained valuable knowledge in financial and administrative processes, as well as in customer service. This experience has helped me understand the practical application of legal concepts related to labor law, social security, and final regulation. I consider myself a responsible, organized, and community individual. I am able to work both independently and as a part of a team, always focused on achieving goals efficiently and ethically. I am also motivated to continue learning and growing professionally. My goal is for further develop my legal career, applying my knowledge in real-world contexts while contributing positively to the organization and represent. Thank you for your time.